You'll never guess where we are.
What you doing, babe?
Making an Instagram story.
Instagram story. Alright, y'all, it's Halloween right now. Happy Halloween, by the way. It's night. I haven't gotten any footage. Our 2 days have been crazy busy. It's raining. It's just been crazy. Anyways, we're at Best Buy right now because I'm looking for boom boxes for the new gym. It's kind of crazy. Halloween night, everybody's trick-or-treating. We're walking through Best Buy. Then we're gonna go to Whole Foods. Then we're gonna cook some food. See, something like this in each corner of the gym would be pretty cool. What do you think, baby?
It's gonna be loud.
Loud. Alright, y'all, Crystal's thinking about making our home a smart home. We've got Alexa, we've got Google Home, and there's like a one for Apple. I don't even know. So does anybody have a smart home? Is it worth it? I guess my home's dumb right now, so let me know what you think. Is it worth it?
Always gotta be clean.
Just didn't clean your cart?
No, I spilled coffee all over me.
Ah.
I make a joke every time we come to a grocery store that Robert should buy me flowers, and he still doesn't buy me flowers. Loser.
Love you.
Loser.
Alright. I am not an alcoholic. Obviously. I'm not even a drinker. I haven't had a glass of wine since... When was our last glass of wine?
My competition.
Crystal's competition. When was that?
Nope.
When I got engaged, which was April 28th of 2018. Right?
Grandpa.
And when my grandpa passed, I had a glass of wine then in celebration of his life. But since it's Halloween and we're not gonna be eating candy and we're not going out and partying, we're just gonna have like a nice chill night. Just the two of us, catch up, spend some time together. We might have a glass of wine each. This wine I have not yet seen. It's called Fit Wine. It's Cabernet Sauvignon, however you pronounce that if you're fancy. But it has low residual sugar. They individually batch test these. Crushing it at work, in the gym, at home with the family. Drink Fit Wine is what it says. So supposedly they're doing something similar to what Dry Farm Wines is doing. So we might grab some of this, do some blood testing, and see if it's actually low in residual sugar. Alright, y'all. Let's have a real talk moment here. It's Halloween night. We went out, got a few clips, walked around Best Buy, walked around Whole Foods, but we didn't really get much footage. I've got a lot on my mind today, and I feel like I'll just do better by y'all by rather than trying to make a bunch of footage interesting that's not really interesting, just talk to you about what's on my mind right now, because it weighs heavy on my mind. I don't know about y'all, but when I have something on my mind, it just like stays there and festers until I get it out. So this is my therapy session. I'm getting my thoughts out to y'all. I don't want this to come across as me sounding negative or a pity party or anything like that, because that's definitely not the case. I'll wake up fine tomorrow, start fresh, have a great day. But there's times, let's just preface this a little bit. Crystal and I put everything we have into everything we do. Whether that be the keto brick, the coaching, the business, the employees, everything. Like we live our life on a day-to-day basis, and it's all one. Like there's not like a separation of personal life, work life. I mean, it's all together. I mean, it's all who we are. And we try to put our best self forward for everyone that interacts with us. And when you put yourself on social media, you do like a daily YouTube video, I mean, everything's out there. And I don't show y'all just the good stuff. I show you, I try and be as honest and transparent and authentic as possible. I think that's why y'all watch my stuff. I hope so anyways. So I don't want today to be any different. Like, I just want to let you know what's on my mind. So every time we do anything, you know, we get like 99% positive feedback, and then we get that 1% of just haters. And I think Crystal and I have become pretty good at just, you know, not letting that really get to us, not letting it bother us, because, I mean, at the end of the day, we just don't have time for negativity. Like, we have too much going on. We have too many good things going for us to let any negativity come in. And none of that's changed. Like, that's still how we are. But that doesn't mean that we don't see negative comments. It doesn't mean that we don't see just people disrespect him. And that's just part of the price you pay for putting yourself out there. And that's a price that I'm willing to pay, and I accept it fully because it allows me to come that much closer to the people that I do touch, the people that are positive. Like, you can't have one without the other, basically. So I accept that, and fully I'm okay with it. With us putting ourselves out there as much as we do, and with us working as hard as we do to be the best we can for everybody involved, I don't expect anything in return. Like, I don't expect anything from anybody at all. I mean, I appreciate y'all giving me your time. I appreciate you when you purchase a brick, when you buy coaching to work with us. I mean, I appreciate you spending 5 minutes and watching a YouTube video or reading a newsletter. Like, that to me, your time means more than me to anything. And I don't expect or demand or expect, I don't expect anything back from the stuff that we do on a day-to-day basis. I would like to think that there is a mutual respect there. Like, I respect y'all, and I believe y'all respect me. I mean, we get so much positive feedback about all the support that we get. So, I mean, y'all do respect us. It's good, and I appreciate that. Like, I was raised in a way just like old school. My folks are very old school traditionalists, and like, you know, your word is your bond, you know, handshake, all that stuff. So I put a lot of emphasis on respect. And it pains me to put myself out there and be the best that I can be, and then just be met with disrespect by that 1%. And I can't change that 1%. And y'all can't change that 1%. But it's frustrating just the same. So, this is pretty much just me telling y'all that I'm frustrated with that 1% right now. And again, I know I'm going to get a bunch of comments on this video saying, don't worry about that, we got your back, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that more than you know. But know that I'm going to be the best that I can be despite that 1%. I mean, if y'all don't know my story, or if y'all new to the channel, then go back and watch a few of the older videos. And you'll know that I'm going to do everything in my power to always do right by you. I will never, never sell somebody short to make a buck or do anything dishonest in any form or fashion. Any mistake I've ever made, and I've made mistakes, but any mistake I've ever made was never made, you know, dishonestly or with, like, you know, an ulterior motive. Like, I don't play that game. Like, I want to be the best I can be for everybody involved, period. No questions asked. And with me doing that and having that kind of integrity, I just ask that everybody, you know, does the best they can. And you know what's right, you know what's wrong, you know, do what's right. It's really that simple. And again, this vlog is not me complaining or any of that stuff, so I hope it doesn't come across the way. Mostly it's just a call to action for people to just be the best that they can be. You know, at the end of the day, it's harder to be the better person sometimes. I mean, sometimes somebody says something to you disrespectful, you just want to be like, well, to hell with you, bruh, you know, but I'm not going to do that. You know, I'm not going to do that. So, yeah. That said, I'm going to stop rambling. It's Halloween. Crystal and I are going to drink a glass of wine, shoot some bow and arrows, and have a night. So, appreciate y'all. And again, I'm sorry that 99% of y'all that are freaking awesome rock stars even had to hear this conversation, because this wasn't even for y'all. But I love y'all. Even the haters. Bring on the haters. I'll take the haters too. That just gives me an opportunity to be a better person, be a better leader, project myself in a positive light to those that see me. So, the haters are part of it too. Bring on the haters. I'll take them on, you know. That said, y'all have a good one. Happy Halloween. Good night. Take care. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. I'll see you then.